Hi guys, we're going to make grilled cheese today. It's extremely simple and easy, and I am confident anyone can make it no problem. So why don't we get started? So all you need are slices of bread, butter, and cheddar cheese, and ketchup for dipping. But if you prefer mozzarella cheese, I strongly recommend using it too. Grate about 1 cup of cheese, depending on how much you like. Spread some butter on one side of the toast. There's no need to do both sides, since cheese has to be in the middle. Over low and gentle heat, start toasting your bread. And when the buttered sides start to get browned, place grated cheese on top. If you want that ooze and gooey texture, add more cheese. If you don't like the saltiness of the cheese, then adjust to your palate. The next thing you want to do is to flip one bread slice onto the other. Flip the sandwich every once in a while. When the cheese is melted completely, then transfer it on a cutting board and slice it in half.